Step-by-step applying skincare. Properly applying skincare to your whole body involves a few simple steps. Here's a step-by-step guide. Start with clean skin. Take a shower or bath using a gentle cleanser suitable for your body. This will remove dirt, sweat, and impurities from the skin. Exfoliate. Once or twice a week, exfoliate your body to remove dead skin cells and promote skin renewal. Use a body scrub or exfoliating mitt and gently massage it over your skin in circular motions. Focus on areas prone to dryness or roughness, such as elbows, knees, and heels. Moisturize. After bathing or showering, when your skin is still slightly damp, apply a moisturizer to your entire body. Choose a moisturizer that suits your skin type and preferences, whether it's a lotion, cream, or body oil. Massage the moisturizer into your skin using upward strokes until it's fully absorbed. Don't forget the sunscreen. Apply sunscreen to exposed areas of your body, such as your arms, legs, and any other areas that will be exposed to the sun. Use broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 and reapply every 2 hours or after swimming or sweating. Treat specific areas. If you have specific concerns like dry patches, blemishes, or discoloration, use targeted treatments such as serums, lotions, or creams designed for those concerns. Apply them to the specific areas and follow the instructions provided. Pay attention to hands and feet. Your hands and feet also need care. Apply hand cream regularly to keep them moisturized, especially after washing your hands. For your feet, use a foot cream or lotion to keep them soft and prevent dryness or cracking. Hydrate from within. Remember to drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your skin hydrated from the inside out. Proper hydration helps maintain the overall health and appearance of your skin. Practice healthy habits. Along with skincare, adopting healthy habits can contribute to your overall skin health. This includes maintaining a balanced diet, getting enough sleep, managing stress levels, and avoiding smoking and excessive alcohol consumption. Remember, everyone's skin is unique, so it's essential to pay attention to your skin's specific needs and adjust your skincare routine accordingly. If you have any concerns or specific skin conditions, it's always a good idea to consult with a dermatologist for personalized advice. For more videos, don't forget like, share and subscribe.